going. Oh, you know, it's always speeding up a bit. Always taking a detour.
2 p.m.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. And today we're in Budapest. I didn't do any of this yesterday. I filmed the flight a bit yesterday. Couldn't be asked with the rest of the travel stuff. So I always do that. It's always boring.
What?
Start the vlog with the travel stuff. It's like,
nah, we're travelling.
Now we're here. It's probably going to be like a minute into the video, which is good. This is our little place. Hello, this is Katie. She doesn't come with the place. And so we're going to go out now. We tried to get up early. We tried to get up at 8. Well, we'll set my alarm for 8 because we didn't do anything last night really. We're going to do everything like this morning. But now it's 10:30 and we haven't really done anything. We're going to go see a castle or some shit.
This will basically be like...
What? What?
The downwards
The down thing? Oh yeah. That is a horrible height. I'm not standing on this bridge.
Why?
I don't like it. That's nice though. Oh, let's hit that woman.
Really? Oh.
Go on, do your bit.
Huh?
I don't know. Do some stuff. Your house.
My house. It's probably religious, that's a bit rude. That's fine.
No applause. Hey guys, so Katie and I have just done a big old walk around all the Parliament and the main touristy bits by the river. We're very warm, so we're going to get a drink.
Very warm.
It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've already done a lot, which is good. Greek pissing god. Pissing down the waterfall. So we went to the wrong place. Well, not wrong place, it just wasn't there. Because Apple Maps didn't tell us.
Apple Maps doesn't know what's going on.
So now we're walking, and we met some very nice guys who were trying to, at first, trying to get us to like
eat where they
were working. But then we had a chat with them. They're students from Pakistan and India. Very good English.
Very good English.
Yeah.
Chatting about Nottingham.
Yeah, they knew the UK. So much stuff everywhere.
That's amazing.
How is it? Strong?
Quite strong. That's good though, value for money.
Yeah.
Value for money.
It is actually, because it was 1,500 each.
Well, how much is that? English?
£5.
Okay, £5, yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, because £1, 500 is £1.50. So it'd be times 3.
Okay.
On film 50 times 3, 450.
Sounds sweet, 450, yeah. That's good, no, that is good value.
It's cool.
Very good.
Is this one Richard Iowaldi came to?
Yeah. He sat on that little car.
I was in that.
In that little car. With a Schlingy.
Mainly people just walking around looking at stuff. What a weird idea. I don't think my sun cream is waterproof.
It should be.
I think you put it in my bag yesterday. Your bag.
Water resistant.
Hey, there we go. I don't know, just because I was sweating yesterday, it was coming off of my sweat. So.
Oh yeah, but that's pretty strong in it.
Yeah, especially my sweat. Man sweat. Ooh. Hello, where are we going today?
To the zoo.
Yeah?
And the bats.
Yeah.
And Mackey's.
Yeah, we're going to go to a Mackey's.
A Hungarian Mackey's.
And these vlogs, as you can tell, probably merging into one. Because there's not much content per day, so we might as well put it into one. Yeah. Right. It's the biggest Mackey's I've seen. It's that whole building. I think it looks a bit better, maybe.
I mean, it looks good. There's a lot of sauce in that, actually.
Nice.
Like that.
Yeah, we've kind of been a bit boring with this. Oh, see, perfectly done.
Well,
you would not get that in the UK. That actually looks a lot similar to
what they advertise.
What they advertise, exactly. Chips are warm probably as well.
A bit hot.
Yeah. The reason we didn't go for anything that was not quite like UK. Didn't know how to say it, and it was just complicated.
I wanted the cheesy things, and I wanted the cool fries.
The cool fries did look cool. I thought they would come. Yeah.
I thought they were the meal.
Guess not. Hello, mate. Cool.
Give him a piece of lettuce. Big lettuce. Oh, he's gone.
Oh, Katie.
He's not. They've run away. Okay, there's one there. Lettuce.
Oh, they're just trying to rip it by throwing it. Stop feeding the birds.
It's lettuce.
You get told off. No, but then they'll stick around more like they are.
But they live here, clearly. They clearly live in one of these trees.
Yeah, because people feed them here. Smart birds.
They are smart, and I would like to acknowledge that they're smart by helping them live.
Right, should we walk to the zoo or wherever we go in the park?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we are in the zoo. Oh, I love those kind of bonsais. See, I love miniatures of stuff.
like-
So when there's a miniature tree, it's awesome.
How is like that massive tree growing from such little soil?
Yeah, there's not really much roots, is there? Oh, Katie, there's turtles. It's a terrapin.
Turtle?
Yeah. Get a closer look at Mr. Turtle. Then he's going to see his mate. Oh, there's one behind him. That's just
Oh, is that
another.
a
That's a
turtle?
turtle.
I
That's
thought that was
the
a rock.
ashes. He's not about. He's sleeping.
Who is it?
It's a sloth. Oh, he needs to cut his nails or something. Oh,
Oh, they are lemurs. Look, they've got up.
oh, there is a baby on there.
Oh boy. I've never seen a baby lemur. I'm not joking.
Look at it.
That is so cute.
Have a little nap. Why do they get up? Oh, no, back to sleep. We can see there's movement in the tortoises. He's standing in his food, waiting
I'm like,
for the food.
is he? Hello, he's coming to us.
He wants a pet. He'll probably bite her fucking fingers off.
I mean, I'm not putting my hand in, but.
You got a friend in me. He's so close. See ya. Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Oh, wave. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna take him.
These turtles are just having a fucking great time.
Lovely.
Unless the water's just like really bad, so they want to just be.
Look how
on
many
top.
there are in the water. Can you see all those heads like
Yeah.
popping up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So they can breathe.
10, 11, 12.
Oh, I think he's died.
They're the armadillos.
Yeah, what are they doing? Look at him, he's chomping that. Oh, nom nom nom.
Guinea pigs now.
Sloth. What the hell are these? They're huge. Oh, hello there. What's she found? They're capybaras. Oh my god, they're not capybaras. They're tiny, they're beavers.
That literally looks like a guinea pig that can stretch.
Oh, I'd love to have it. There is a big guinea pig. They're like, they are literally massive guinea pigs with really long tails.
Literally, like even with like the pattern.
Oh, Katie's a baby capybara.
No, that is tiny. Oh
It
my
is.
lord. Now that is a small thing.
It's around mama. Oh, stand on its head. Oh, did she sit on it?
She tried to. Oh, there's another baby there.
Been crushed. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a pigeons trying to have sex over there. There's good fencing there. Instead, they've used bins.
Is that literally what they've used?
Yeah, to stop them getting down there.
Well,
There's
that's
fencing
not really
there.
gonna do anything
There's
to
fencing
it, 'cause they can jump.
They can jump, they're big. They can definitely reach over that.
Pigeon, I'd watch out.
Yeah, they're way bigger than you. You will not win this
I
fight.
mean, they're not going to attack another bird, really.
No.
But if they felt
I
like
mean, imagine if you're that small and you got those huge fucking bastards next to you.
well, they just don't seem to give. Look at him, he just didn't give a shit.
Oh my god, there's kids everywhere. These kids.
Killing.
Look at the size of that camel. Oh, to be fair, he's on like a ledge,
Oh.
so it's not actually that big. What's going on? I wanted you to go to every single one of them.
I wanted to, but there's a lot.
Because I was going to do like a
And then it started to
montage
get a
of you
bit
just like stroking every single one.
stroking all of us.
Since doing the documentary at the farm, I love cows now.
How sick.
They're just so chill.
Look at them. Yeah, that's what I was saying. They just don't care.
They're funny, aren't they?
They look a bit
Pigeon,
odd. They're
can you
panting a
fuck
bit.
off?
She's eating while I have this sex.
Why not? Right, should we go into the park?
Yeah.
Dog and man,
Love
the
it.
best of friends. It's a red squirrel in Budapest.
Mad. Wait, he's got
He's
there.
just scatting about. What the fuck are they doing? What the fuck? There's red squirrels here. No way. So we're here on the island now. This is the next day, by the way, but it doesn't matter. But edit that in. It's like an island in the river, and we're going up to this music fountain at the minute that times the water spurts to the music beats. Where are you walking?
That's quite cool to be fair.
Cute.
Cute.
Yeah, you can do it. Where are we?
Nice. The 360-degree bar.
Yeah. It's the only one with a pretty cool rooftops, but drinks are a bit expensive.
Star martini. Yeah, but it's worth it because
Yeah.
I'm craving one of these. Love them. And it just started raining, but it's okay now.
It did a bit. The dark clouds are there. Hello.
Hi.
We're going now, aren't we?
Yeah, we're leaving.
Yeah. Sad. I'm gonna go buy loads of cigs because they're cheap here, and you can take back quite a lot. Then head back home. Anything else to say?
It's been good.
Yeah, it has been good.
We've done a lot. And it's really cool here. It's a nice place.
It is nice.